Hey guys, Leon here from Lowyat TV. While most of us are stuck here in the studio, we have our guy down at the MWC 2019 show floor to share with us his experiences with the new devices. And he was lucky enough to spend some time with Huawei's new foldable phone. So after compiling his notes, here are our first impressions of the Huawei Mate X. Even though it was just a pre-production unit, the Mate X we tested felt really solid and really well built. If this was the final fit and finish and was released commercially tomorrow, honestly no one would bat an eye. While it doesn't require much effort to fold and unfold the device, the hinge is far from flimsy. Huawei's Falcon Wing hinge is definitely doing its job by providing enough resistance to ensure the durability of the Mate X. There's also a latch mechanism at the back of the phone to keep the Mate X secure when it's folded. All you have to do is press the button and detach the latch mechanism to unfold the phone. Since there is no glass covering the display, interacting with the phone's plastic OLED screen is quite an experience. While it is not as effortless as swiping on glass, the Mate X surface is still smooth enough to a certain extent. But one caveat though is that since it's a plastic display, it is much more prone to scratches compared to glass. Well, this is still a pre-production unit and Huawei still has time to work on it before its slated release in the middle of this year. The display looks punchy and vibrant and no visible distortion can be seen or felt, though this may differ from unit to unit. That being said, the Mate X can't really lie flat due to the hand grip on the side. Speaking of the hand grip, it houses a 3-camera system that features a 40-megapixel main camera, a 16-megapixel wide-angle camera, and an 8-megapixel telephoto one. And of course, the cameras are also co-engineered with Leica as well. Since the Mate X has no front camera, all you have to do is turn the phone around to take selfies. The phone can detect when it's being turned around and switches to selfie mode. Though on our test unit, there were times when the phone has failed to do this. But when the sensors do kick in, the transitions are pretty seamless. Now comes the big question. Is the Mate X really worth the asking price of more than 10,000 ringgit? Well, when the Mate X is released in a few months' time, it will be part of a new market segment for foldable devices. What you'll be paying for is the brand new hardware, the exclusivity of it, and bragging rights. Still, the Mate X makes us believe that foldable phones are more than just a gimmick. It's apparent that a lot of thought was put into both the design and usability of the phone. And if the Mate X is any indication of what's to come, it'll definitely be exciting to see how the future unfolds. So let us know what you guys think of the Mate X. Will you guys be getting one or maybe waiting for a second generation? Let us know down in the comment section below, and as always, like this video if you like it, subscribe to us if you haven't already, hit the bell to get notified of our future videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!